you need to see these breathtaking beauties. First up, the peacock. Known for its iridescent blue-green plumage and fan-like tail, the peacock's courtship display is nothing short of iconic. Next, the resplendent quetzal. With its brilliant green and red feathers and long tail, this bird is a symbol of freedom in Mayan culture. Glide over to East Asia to spot the mandarin duck. This vibrant waterfowl sports an extraordinary mix of orange, blue, and white plumage. Our fourth beauty is the Scarlet Macaw. Found in Central and South American rainforests, this parrot dazzles with red, blue, and yellow feathers, and it's as smart as it is social. Finally, feast your eyes on Wilson's bird of paradise. With a blue crown, red back, and spiral tail feathers, this Indonesian native is a true